Planning to buy your first drone? This newest XPRO drone will take your videos and photos to the next level. What else does Drone X Pro offer? When looking at reviews, there are a few features that stand out as the reason thousands of users give this drone 5-star reviews. Intelligent gesture control. Launch and control with intuitive hand gestures and take photos and videos in whatever way you like. 4K resolution. Shoot video at an incredible 4K resolution in 30 FPS. Capture every second in full HD quality. Anti-collision system. Built-in sensors prevent collisions with the ground, and other obstacles. Stabilized camera. The drone will remain stable in the air, regardless of the weather. Minimalist and practical design. The smart lightweight construction folds together for extra portability. High quality photos. The images look incredibly sharp on this drone. 3 handling speeds with their help. Drone handling is very simple. Virtual reality. XPRO drone is the only drone of its category that can support 3D virtual reality.